Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dale. Today I'll be talking to you on another topic that is frequently asked in the IELTS speaking test part 2. In the IELTS speaking test part 2, you'll be given a question and you'll be given 1 minute to prepare yourself, and you will have to talk for 1 to 2 minutes on that topic. After which you will be asked a very few questions, about 2 or 3 questions related to that topic, and these questions will be quite easy because you will have to answer those questions in 1 to 2 sentences. The topic that I'll be talking to you on will be describe an interesting hobby. You should say, what is it? What kind of people do it? How it is done? And explain why you think it is interesting. My notebook is here with me. I'll just be taking down some notes, and then I'll be starting the talk. Reading is the most interesting hobby that one could engage himself or herself in. Reading is something which can be done by the very little kid or the toddler who just recognizes letters, and to the very elderly until you go to the tomb. Basically, reading is done by each and every person, and it is very important to one person's life. It is important, equally important to people who are engaged in almost every profession you can think of. And it can be done through many ways. Actually, unlike olden days where you got to read only the printed media, the newspapers, the books, the magazines, and so on. Now everything is in the internet. You just have to, it's just a matter of few seconds. You just have to take your phone or any other electronic device, and what you want to read is just a click away. So reading is very important, and I think that nowadays people are just so busy, and they just find it really hard to find themselves time to engage in a hobby as such. So I think even without their knowledge, everyone is just in the habit of reading, and they're doing it as a hobby, or actually as a part of their day-to-day routine or day-to-day life. Why reading is interesting? Actually, it is interesting due to many reasons, because reading can be done to improve one's knowledge through reading the educational books, the books that are related to their field of work or field of education or field of study. Reading can also be of use to make fun or laugh. So you can read the things like comics and cartoons. I think it is interesting because it improves your knowledge, and it, after all, reading makes you a better person. So that's why I believe reading is the most interesting hobby that I can think of. So this is the end of this short video. I hope this was useful for you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. Until we meet again, see you. I'm Dr. Dale.